Hi, in this video we are going to repeat the commands that we learned in our past videos. Go to File, New, Part, and start to sketch on top plane. Draw one center line. And start to sketch lines. This point and this point will be horizontal. And I want from here to here have 250 millimeters. Then I will add dimension here 4 millimeters. From here to here I want 60. This line and this line will be equal, and this one line and this line will be linear. This point and this point will be horizontal, and this line and this line will be also equal. Okay, I have automatically a relation here, but I will delete it perpendicular, and I will make this dimension to be 30. Okay, good. Now I will draw dimension from here to here. Oops. 19 inches, and I'm missing this dimension here, 80. I will add everywhere fillet 4 millimeters. Okay, yes, thank you, and click OK. Now I will use a command offset entities and also select all entities again. We need 3 millimeters here and reverse direction. Add lines here, and here we have fully defined sketch that is closed sketch. Go to Feature menu, pick Revolve Both Base, and here is our new feature. Click OK. Okay, good. Now create one plane that will be on right plane, and it will be 19.6 millimeters, and click OK. Start new sketch on this plane, go normal to it, and make few circles. This one will be 140. This one will be 120. this one will be 72.5. This one will be for construction, and also make one center line from here and one circle coincident on this center line and this center line that will be 12 millimeters, and it will be also for construction. That's okay. Now go to extrude both base and extrude this sketch for, I don't know, 500 millimeters. Click OK. And again, same sketch, but this time we'll extrude just this face here on other side, no matter how long, and click OK. That's okay. Hide this plane, we don't need it anymore. And now use a section view command to cut the part on half for a better view. Use this side to sketch and front plane. Right click, sketch. Now we will draw. Okay, to design the screw here, I need to show sketch 2. So start to draw from center of this circle. Maybe a bit longer. Okay. 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 This will be 12 millimeters. This will be 24. I need here 45 degree, and this one will be 80. Here is our design. Again, go to Revolve with both base, click OK to accept the automatically revolve command and click OK. Here is our half screw. Pick this command and use circular pattern around this part here 5 times, equal, and click OK. Now we can hide this sketch. Again, use section view, click OK, already selected, and start new sketch again on front plane and use command spline. Start to sketch from here, go a little down, and again spline from here to here. Okay, okay, that's nice. and use line to close it. And exit the sketch. Now again use revolved both base. For axis of revolution, pick this line here. And this is what we will create. Uncheck this command merge results and click OK. Now it's okay. Close section view. And now go to use command combine. I don't have that command here. To find some command that I didn't use for a long time and forget where I can find it, I'm always using such commands and it helped me very well. For example, write combine. If we click on this icon here, it will show me the command location automatically. It moves my mouse automatically, and here is my command that I want to use. Click on it. Main body, this one. Body to combine, this one. I want this part to go off. Click OK. And here is our rim. Now again create one plane that will be parallel with the right plane and will be 19 millimeters away from it. Click OK and start new sketch on plane 2. Use center line, one more center line, now we will draw one construction line that will be 150 millimeters, and now I will draw one spline again, and I think this will be okay. Exit the sketch, use command extract cut and select the sketch, change direction and select the body that I want to be cutted. Click OK. Use fillet command. This edge, this edge, this edge. Edge inside also. 3 millimeters or 4 maybe. 3. Click OK. And select this command. Click on the arrow here and use circular pattern. For rounding axis we'll be using this space. Pick 8 times, 8 equal times and click OK. And here is our rim. And go to make assembly. I will also insert one more part. I will add relation between it. Okay. And also I want to add one more relation between this edge here and this surface, and click OK. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe and stay tuned.